I ran a top office out in Winnipeg, Manitoba, and very cold there, by the way. And I did like amazing, for my first year, but I actually ended up going, backwards. I lost all of it. A lot of people, they would look in that situation and they would kind of like regret it and saying, oh wow, like, you lost so much money. And I was like, you know what? Don't feel sorry for me. But I looked at other top entrepreneurs, like people, like Tony Robbins or people like that, if they went through that much stuff, that I can get through this as well too, right? So. Happens to a lot of people when they're running a business, they start to fall off, they get out of their routine, they create bad routines, bad habits. But if you look at like all top entrepreneurs, like they'll talk about, when they wake up the second of the day, they do this, they do this, they do that to the end of the day, and they do the same thing every single day. You gotta be self-motivated to run your own business, because it's just keeping yourself on a routine and being focused every day. But it was the comeback that obviously, was the best moment I think in this business, because even though I lost all that money and, I kind of looked at it, it was like myself going to school for entrepreneurship, business development, at a top university, because I learned so much in that year's time. But then I was able to bounce back when everyone else thought I wouldn't be able to. I was motivated, I visioned it every single day. If I didn't go through that, there's even a possibility that I might not be even here today, right? So I needed to go through something like that to make myself better, so. I became such a better manager. I've seen so many people, kind of give up, and then when they would have just went a little bit farther, they would have obviously saw the success that they would have got from it. But I mean, I just live by, just showing up every day, working hard and not giving up.